An aesthetic house is all about creating a wonderful space that reflects your personality and taste, despite what social media trends might tell you. It's about cultivating a place where you can feel comfortable and stylish at the same time. It's what is attractive to you. You can totally mix and match aesthetic styles to create a spark no judgment here. For example, you might love the warm and inviting feeling of a farmhouse aesthetic, but also appreciate the clean lines of a minimalist aesthetic. In that case, you can mix and match elements from both styles to create a unique aesthetic that feels right to you. There are no rules. That's all your own. Hang some art, because art is a great way to personalize your space and make it feel more like your own. We love a chic gallery wall for a long, blank-looking wall, or a dramatic centerpiece above the sofa in the living room. Adding your light fixtures is something as simple as a new light fixture can make a big impact on the overall aesthetic of your home. Mainly depends on the height of your ceilings. After that, connecting indoors with outdoors is a task that you can try to achieve by placing natural elements in every room of your house. A pile of chopped wood next to the fire, a wreath of leafy flowers on the wall, and pretty house plants on the shelves are all present in this charming Scandi-inspired living room. Recycling and upcycling are on the up in your earthy home. Try to buy less new and instead hunt for unique treasures at antique markets and on auction sites. If you love the piece, but the shade is not quite to your taste, sand it, stain it, or paint it to create something completely different and updated. The more local and seasonal products you buy for your interior, the less carbon footprint your home will use. Visit artisan markets to discover local craftspeople and find one-of-a-kind furniture and accessories. And when it comes to filling your house with plants and flowers, find out what's in season and which varieties come from nearest to your area. Nothing in nature is ever truly perfect. Therefore, replicate this in your home interior with one-off pieces and mix-match furniture and accessories. Play with a range of natural textures and don't be afraid to add pops of color to an otherwise neutral space.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.